Hi, Anil.
Hi, madam.
Yeah, this is Aruna from Quality Department.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just a feedback interview, Anil. First
Okay.
of all, congrats for your placements.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself, Anil?
Yeah, madam. Yeah, my name is Anil Kumar, madam, and I am coming from Andhra, basically, and currently living in Bangalore. And I'm completed my BTech in Civil Engineering in Sir C. V. Raman Institute of Technology and Sciences near Tadipatri. And I'm completed my PUC and 10th also and in Anantapur district. Yeah, madam.
Okay, how did you get to know CMTI, Anil?
Ma'am, I'm searching in the internet for job and so I'm connecting with this YouTube, and also I know like, in YouTube I'm searching.
Okay, what and all you learned in CMTI, the syllabus, content?
Yeah, madam. In here interiors and general construction.
Anil, you can continue.
Yeah, madam. In interiors, there are AutoCAD and SketchUp and Primavera, like that courses he will learn, madam. And also general construction sequence of construction and methodology and reading of drawings and markings and site visits, and I learned from CMTI.
Okay, how was the trainers in the site visits, classes, and all? How was their approach?
Yeah, madam, they are very friendly with me, madam. Like Natarajan sir and Ashok sir, they will very helpful to any doubts. If I have any doubts, they will teach me very well, madam.
Okay, then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
Yeah, madam, I missed some classes, and it is very helpful to learn in CMTI app, madam. It's useful to cracking interviews and any other missed classes like that.
Okay, then how was the interview process, Anil? How did you crack the interview?
Yeah, madam. In interview, there are two rounds. Is there, madam? First round is a self introduction and basic questions like where are you from, like that, what you learned in projects and about experiences. And the second round will be technical round, madam. And what about core subject like interiors, what they used in interiors like MDF, SDF, like that, plywoods and other things.
Okay, then how was the CMTI staff during the placements and all? How was their coordination?
Yeah, madam. It's very good, madam. Very friendly.
Okay, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Anil?
Yeah, madam, I refer compulsory. I refer here CMT. If anybody is searching for job, I will confirmly recommend for this institute.
Okay, thank you, Anil, for your feedback.
Thank you.
And once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. Thank you, Anil.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.